I have this old Samsung 125S analog camera, and I will try to replace the daytime battery. And for this I will be using a Phillips screwdriver that look like this. It's called PH000. Don't know if you can see it. You probably can't. Doesn't matter. First I will open it like this, and there is a chamber that has the batteries in it, and there are 4 small screws in the corners, and I will try to get them off. You see it there? Yeah. Then you take it off. So we have to replace the battery. Don't know if it's fragile. Nope. Like this. And you can see here it's a 3-volt CR2025. So I bought these, and I will try to pop it in if I can get it open. Lithium cell. Try to clean it. Don't know if it's good, if there's any moist on it. Here it is, and I will try to pop it in again. Took it. So yeah, here it is, and we can see what is on it. And how do we set this? I think we'll put it in again, and then we can set it when it's in here. So yeah, here we have it. I'll try to pop it and see if we can set it. So what date is it today? So I think we try to press set. No, select. Alright, what year is it? It's 2019. Yes, select. And what month is it? Is the 9th. And what day is it? It is the 9th as well. Select. Yes. And I think we have it.